This video would be very interesting for you because I will explain to you why the nicest women are never happy in their love life. Why men will always try to take advantage of you. When you're kind, when you pay attention to them, when you want to do good, those guys, even the good guys, they will become very toxic, almost narcissist with you. What is going on? Let me tell you that there is a scientific explanation to this situation or this behavior. So I want you to understand that being too nice plays against you. And I know it sounds weird, even when I talk about it, I'm like, Alex, are you sure about what you're saying? But if you watch this video, you will understand exactly what's going on with the human psychology. And of course, how can you do right now? What are the solutions, the actions that will help you be better, or at least feel better in your love life? Because you don't have to blame yourself. There is nothing wrong with your behavior. It's just that when we study the human behaviors, the human psychology, there is few things I really wanted to mention to you. So, yes, women that are very nice, they most of the time will fall into the trap of being too nice, being in a one-sided relationship, giving a lot of resources, time. They would give a lot and they would receive nothing in return. But as I mentioned before, there is a scientific explanation. For example, we know that human beings, we always look for what we don't have. And so on the opposite side, we also take the things for granted. So if we look at relationship, men will chase you. They would go after you. They will tell you that they want to be with you. They are seeking a relationship. They know that you're the one for them. Unfortunately, after a couple of weeks, what will happen? The same person will start to pull away because he started to take you for granted. Instead of putting you on a pedestal, instead of focusing on your own needs, no, it's actually the opposite. The same person will start to pull away because he's taking you for granted. Another thing that I wanted to mention, and this was like something I studied when I was doing my master's degree in human sciences, is that when someone feels in control, when someone feels empowered, they start to have toxic behavior. Let me rephrase it. When a man is in a relationship with a woman that is too nice, he would start to be toxic because he would seek more from her. Instead of thinking, oh, she's too good, I need to give back, he would tell himself, I need to receive. It's important for me to receive. And that's it. So my goal as a coach is to tell you that we become toxic when we feel that someone is not assertive, which means they are not setting boundaries. They are not expressing what they want. They are not saying no to us. And so that is what a nice woman is, or a nice girl. It doesn't mean that you're like really giving him the control, that you're not able to, be yourself. It's basically the idea that if you are too available, a guy will never try to please you. He will never try to ask himself what does she want, what's important for her. And that's why as a coach, when I'm coaching you, yes, we want to be nice, but we also want to receive. We want to take care of a man, but we want to make sure that he takes care of your needs. We want to focus on how to surprise him, but also to make sure that he would invest in you. We want to find the right balance. And this sounds crazy, but the more you give, the more some men, they will just take it. They don't want to give back. They are not trying to please you. They are not trying to make you happy. And so that is the situation that I want to avoid with you. So I have some tools for you. But one thing that I need to tell you first is the guy that is in this position, okay? The guy that sees you fighting for him, giving him attention, thinking for him before to think about you, he will tell himself, she will never leave. So that's what his brain will tell him. This woman will always be there. She will always give you attention. She will always, take care of you. She will always focus on you instead of focusing on herself. And because he has this mentality, he will basically pull away and do nothing. He would sit on his chair and just wait for you to do all the job. because in his mind, he's thinking that you cannot change. So the idea is that he's making a mistake, and we will have to create something special. The question, every time I talk about it in coaching, the question is, of course, Alex, should I become a B? You know the word after that, right? Should I become a B in order for me to get a guy? It's not necessary this way. It's not like, the big woman will be the one that will have a good man. No. What we want to create right now is an understanding of what have helped thousands of women before you. So I realized that most of the time, when a man feels that there is a challenge in front of him, because you have your own life, because you're happy on your own, because you're doing new activities, because you want to make sure that he needs to provide, not just financially, but he needs to provide and invest in the relationship. When we have this natural challenge, you don't have any issue. You can have the guy you like. You can create an amazing relationship because naturally this guy would understand that he needs to provide and he needs to invest. He just needs to show that you have a value in his eyes, right? So instead of being negative, hey, you're not doing this, you're not doing that, I want you to tell me this, I want you to do this. When you act this way, he would just feel that you are overwhelming, you're harassing him, and he would put the fault on you. That's when you start to blame yourself. That can touch your self-confidence as well. Avoid this behavior by using the natural challenge. And if you tell me, Alex, how can I do that? I have done some videos just to teach you exactly how to do it. They are in the description box. Those videos are private. You just have to enter your email. But you will learn exactly how to be a natural challenge, how to make him invest in you, how to make him prioritize your needs as well, instead of just being him the priority, okay? This is exactly what you will find in the description box below. So, I'm here since 2007. I know I have a strong French accent, but I've coached more than 100,000 people, male and female, since 2007. When you know how to make people fight, invest, pay attention to you, in their subconscious mind, they know that they are devoted to the relationship. They know that they need to be there. And that is changing the dynamic, so you won't be just too nice. The woman that will always be there. Whatever I do, whatever I say, she's always there. So let me cheat, she will be there. Let me talk down to her, she will be there. Let me, travel the world without her, she will be there. No, that's not the situation that we want to be in. So what I want to create right now is this idea that we can slowly but surely make this guy come a little bit more to you. And I know a lot of coaches have just copied my philosophy. That's why my videos are private. They are in the description box below, and you will know exactly how to do to challenge a guy naturally. You don't have to be a B in order for you to be in a relationship, but you have to understand that if you don't change the pattern, the more you give, the more this guy will consider that he can do whatever he wants. So he will start to not respect you. He will start to not really apologize. He will start as well to look at if the grass is greener on some other side. And I want to make sure that we stop this. So I want you to leave a comment and to tell me, Alex, I am ready to fight this behavior. I'm ready to have a lot of results. And I will see you soon for a new video because my goal is to empower you. So being nice, it's okay if we receive. Organizing an amazing surprise for him, it's okay if he responds to your needs. Traveling, without him is also a great way to create attraction. Don't settle for less, okay? I will see you soon, ladies. But remember, if you want to access my videos on how to challenge a man, if you want to talk to me as your relationship coach, all the resources are right in the description. You can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing much more videos just to really support you and show you that we can get the results we want. I see you soon, ladies. Take good care of yourself.